Welcome to Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week, the 10th of the 10th. Ooh, very exciting dates. As always, remember that dates may change, as they often do, so you might not get to see something as soon as I tell you. So, just put on your wireless earbuds these days and do a little boogie like Brad Pitt to keep yourself entertained. Now, starting off in Office, desktop application within Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. When you choose a sensitivity label that is configured for user-defined permissions, you will now be able to use domain names and email addresses to restrict specific file access to those individuals or the organizations, allowing you to actually genuinely do commercial in confidence and restrict it to specific people. So the permission will be applied based on those parameters. This is rolling out early to the end of November. However, does require your IT department to configure the sensitivity label policies to support it. If you're not familiar with what a sensitivity label is, then tisk, speak to your IT team about being a little bit more compliant. In Microsoft Teams, the creation of contact groups are now available in the right rail pane of the Calls app. You'll be able to use these to create new groups, as well as edit the membership of existing groups in the Calls app. Exciting times. So that's actually rolling out right now through to late October. Now in Microsoft Whiteboard, the ability to insert links with rich previews is coming soon to Whiteboard on the web, the Teams app of Whiteboard, and also the Windows desktop app. That's right, there is a Windows desktop app if you haven't already got it. This will also give you the ability to embed online videos from sources such as YouTube, Stream, and Vimeo, and others. This is rolling out right now through to late October. And that's it for Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 this week.